By now, you may have heard about the benefits of drinking water with lemon juice, or have seen various tea combinations that add lemon to boost healthful properties. But have you ever wondered if limes were the same when it comes to the various health benefits? The other day, I had that same question. I was poking around in my refrigerator for a lemon to put in my nightly tea, but I was completely out. I did have limes. Would they be just as good? Better? So today, we're going to explore just how lemons and limes compare when it comes to their health benefits. And stick around, because I'm also going to give you several delicious tea blends you can easily make at home. Our story begins millions of years ago, not in citrus groves, but in the lush jungles of Southeast Asia. Limes, the elder fruit, evolved from the varieties of citron and papaya around 8 to 13 million years ago. Lemons followed suit around 8 million years later, a mix of citron and bitter orange. While limes traveled the world, reaching the Middle East by the 1st century AD, lemons stayed home a bit longer. It wasn't until the 10th or 11th century that the Arab traders took them across the globe, introducing Europe to their tangy goodness. So, while the exact order is debatable, limes likely held the title of world traveler first. In more recent times, lemons were worth their weight in, well, not gold, but close. Back in 1849, the California Gold Rush, fresh fruits were scarce and precious, and lemons, with their thirst-quenching and scurvy-preventing properties, were particularly valuable. A single lemon could fetch up to $1, which in today's money would be over $30. Miners would even trade gold nuggets for one. So next time you enjoy a refreshing lemon or lime, remember its past as a gold-worthy treasure. The title of Lime King currently belongs to Mexico, with an estimated production of 310 million metric tons in 2022. That's a staggering amount, representing about 35% of the world's total lime production. Mexico has enjoyed this position for several decades, thanks to its ideal climate, vast citrus growing regions, and a long history of cultivating both key limes and Persian limes. While Mexico might be the king of limes, the crown for the world's highest lemon producer currently belongs to India, with an estimated 3.63 billion kilograms, or 8 billion pounds, of lemon production in 2021. That's 17% of the global lemon supply. What lemons and limes have in common? High in vitamin C. Both fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, crucial for immune health and antioxidant activity. But the vitamin C in lemons and limes isn't just great for immunity. It's also essential for collagen production, which helps keep skin firm and youthful. So think of these citrus fruits as natural beauty enhancers. Digestive aid. Their acidity can aid digestion, breaking down food and relieving nausea. Blood pressure support. Both lemon and lime juice and the peel may support healthy blood pressure levels. Folate for cell growth. They also contain a small amount of folate, important for cell growth and development, especially beneficial for moms-to-be. Flavonoids. Lemons and limes are both rich in flavonoids, which has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and inflammation. There are other flavonoids that are shared between both lemons and limes, and some that are unique to each one. These flavonoids work best together, so don't choose just one. Detoxification. Starting your day with lemon or lime water can help stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a key role in removing toxins from the body. It's a refreshing way to give your body a natural cleanse. Oral health. The citric acid in lemons and limes can increase saliva production, which help fight bacteria that cause bad breath. And that's good news for everyone around you. Antioxidant powerhouse. They contain various antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, protecting cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Beyond their antioxidant powers, lemons and limes also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that they can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Yet, while lemons and limes share many health benefits because of similarities in nutrients and antioxidants, there are also some subtle differences in their benefits. Appearance and taste. Lemons are usually bright yellow with a sour-sweet flavor profile, while limes are smaller, greener, and a bit more bitter. This difference in taste is because of different levels of citric acid and other compounds in each. Traditionally, lemons have been used as a remedy for sore throats and coughs, while limes have been used to treat digestive issues and scurvy. However, both fruits have potential antimicrobial properties. Nutritional differences. Lemons take the lead with vitamin C, offering a healthy dose of this immune-boosting vitamin, while both fruits contribute near equal amounts of potassium, supporting heart health and aiding muscular function. Limes offer vitamin A, benefiting vision and immune health. Acidity and sensitivity. Lemons are more acidic than limes, making them unsuitable for some with sensitive stomachs. Limes have a milder acidity, which might be gentler for these folks. Kidney stones. Lemon's higher citric acid content might benefit kidney stone prevention and mineral absorption. Now let's take a tea break. A hot or cold cup of tea can be a great way to add a little citrus boost with its health benefits to your day. With a little creativity and a squeeze of lemon or lime, you can easily customize your tea experience to meet your unique health needs and preferences. My family's favorite tea at the present time features chamomile, ginger, turmeric, honey, and the juice from a quarter to a half of a lemon. My daughter recently had significant morning swelling in her hands, and for months this chronic pain was interfering with her basic mobility and would sometimes be hours before the swelling went down. She began drinking this blend and very quickly improved to where now she has no swelling and no pain. When it comes to healthful tea combinations that include citrus, you have many options. To get you started, here are some of the most beneficial blends for different health needs. Immunity boosters. Echinacea tea with lemon and honey. Echinacea's traditional immune-supporting properties are complemented by lemon's vitamin C and honey's soothing throat effects, making this a perfect cold-fighting concoction. Ginger turmeric tea with lime and honey. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric's curcumin goodness, and lime's vitamin C come together in this warming mix. Honey adds a touch of sweetness and a throat-soothing comfort. This makes it ideal for fighting off chills or boosting your daily dose of antioxidants. Digestive delights. Fennel tea with lemon and chamomile. Fennel and chamomile are known for their calming effects on the stomach, and lemon's acidity can help digestion. This blend is ideal for after a heavy meal or to ease occasional heartburn. Dandelion root tea with lime and hibiscus. Dandelion root supports liver health and detoxification, while hibiscus's diuretic properties and lime's acidity promote cleansing. This blend is a potent digestive ally, helping your body eliminate toxins and help you to feel more refreshed. Detoxifying wonders. Dandelion root tea with lemon and turmeric. Dandelion root promotes detoxification and liver health, while lemon's cleansing properties and turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits makes this a powerful detoxifying blend. Lemongrass tea with lime and chamomile. Lemongrass's cleansing properties and lime's acidity work together to promote detoxification, while chamomile's calming effects soothe digestion and stress. This blend is perfect for a gentle detox and a relaxed mind. Relaxation rituals. Lemon balm tea with lemon and honey. Lemon balm has natural calming and mood-lifting properties, while lemon's vitamin C supports overall well-being. Honey adds a touch of sweetness and makes this a soothing and stress-relieving brew. Rosehip tea with lime and berries. Rosehip tea's calming and mood-lifting properties are enhanced by lime's bright flavor and berries' natural sweetness. This blend is a delightful and antioxidant-rich choice for reducing stress and promoting overall well-being. Choose organic citrus whenever possible. Choosing organic citrus fruits ensures you're getting less chemical exposure. Also, some studies suggest organic produce may have a higher level of certain nutrients, including essential vitamins and minerals. Choosing organic is also a sustainable choice. Organic farming practices benefit the environment by promoting soil health, conserving water, and protecting biodiversity. Always wash the fruit well to remove any wax. Choose fresh fruit for maximum vitamin C content. Adjust the amount of citrus to your taste preference and experiment with different herbs and spices to create your own signature tea blends. Both lemons and limes offer valuable health benefits. However, lemons generally provide more vitamin C and potassium, while limes have some vitamin A and a milder acidity. Choose the one that best suits your taste and potential sensitivities. And remember, incorporating both into your diet is a great way to enjoy their synergistic health benefits. If you want to supercharge your cup of tea, check out the link in the description below for a product called Tea Burn. I checked out the ingredients and they all look great. It's 100% natural, clinically tested with no fillers and no GMOs. All you have to do is add a single packet to your daily tea to increase its effects for supporting metabolism, weight loss, detoxification, and with maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It's also 100% guaranteed if you don't like it. Remember, moderation is key. While lemons and limes offer several health benefits, excessive consumption can irritate your stomach or erode your tooth enamel. So enjoy these flavorful combinations in mindful portions and listen to your body. Thank you very much for watching. Please support our channel by subscribing and have a great day.